How to set alarm in Windows 10 and 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set an alarm on Windows 10 and 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, click on the start menu on your PC and simply search for the Windows clock. And now here, once you have searched for it, just click on the clock to open it. And now here, once you're inside the clock, then what you can do is just go to the alarm section, which can be seen in the left hand side. And now here, once you are inside the alarm section, what you can do is just click on this plus icon, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply click on it, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can simply set a time for your alarm. You can name the alarm as well, and you can select or customize its repetition, and you can set how much longer you want it to tune. And here, once you're done with everything, you can just tap on save, and that's it. That's how you can set alarm in Windows 10 and 11. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.